These words will make your English more fluent and confident. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will teach you powerful vocabulary that 90% of the people don't use. Words that make you sound polished and confident. No grammar, just words you can use today. Let's begin. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
Don't say very afraid, say petrified. Don't say very beautiful, say stunning. Don't say very busy, say swamped. Don't say very colorful, say vibrant. Don't say very confused, say perplexed. Don't say very creative, say innovative. Don't say very dangerous, say perilous. Don't say very dry, say arid. Don't say very eager, say enthusiastic. Don't say very fierce, say ferocious. Don't say very friendly, say affable. Don't say very generous, say charitable. Don't say very handsome, say dashing. Don't say very hard, say tough. Don't say very honest, say truthful. Don't say very interesting, say fascinating. Don't say very intelligent, say genius. Don't say very kind, say compassionate. Don't say very lazy, say idle. Don't say very lonely, say isolated. Don't say very lucky, say fortunate. Don't say very messy, say chaotic. Don't say very nervous, say apprehensive. Don't say very noisy, say raucous. Don't say very painful, say excruciating. Don't say very perfect, say flawless. Don't say very powerful, say mighty. Don't say very pretty, say lovely. Don't say very proud, say dignified. Don't say very quick, say swift. Don't say very rainy, say pouring. Say very risky, say hazardous. Don't say very safe, say secure. Don't say very shiny, say gleaming. Don't say very shy, say timid. Don't say very skinny, say emaciated. Don't say very sleepy, say drowsy. Don't say very special, say exceptional. Don't say very tall, say towering. Don't say very tasty, say delicious. Don't say very tiny, say minuscule. Say very valuable, say precious. Don't say very warm, say boiling. Don't say very windy, say blustery. Don't say very wise, say sage. Don't say very worried, say anxious. Don't say very wrong, say erroneous. Don't say very young, say youthful.
And that's it for today. No more worry from now on. Tell me in the comments which word are you going to use first. See you in the next video. Bye.